646 horsepower in a family SUV. That number alone should make you stop scrolling. But here's what nobody tells you about the new Zeekr 7X Privilege all-wheel drive. This Chinese electric SUV just showed up in Switzerland with specs that embarrass cars costing twice as much. The exterior looks expensive. Frameless doors that open automatically when you approach. Floating roof design that makes the whole car look like it's hovering. Matrix LED headlights with interactive displays. This thing was designed in Gothenburg, Sweden by the same team that works on Volvo and Polestar. You wouldn't know it's Chinese until someone tells you. Now let's talk about what makes this SUV terrifying. Under the hood sits a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces 646 horsepower and 710 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.8 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars you'll see on Swiss highways. But speed is just the beginning. This SUV runs on an 800-volt electrical architecture, the same technology Porsche uses in the Taycan. You get a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack that delivers 615 kilometers of real-world range. And here's where it gets ridiculous. Plug it into a 360 kilowatt DC fast charger, and you charge from 10 to 80% in 13 minutes. 13 minutes to add over 400 kilometers of range. You'll spend more time in the bathroom at a highway rest stop than waiting for your battery. The system also supports 22 kilowatt AC charging. That means a full overnight charge in under 5 hours from a home wall box. This isn't just fast, it's smart. The adaptive air suspension adjusts ground clearance by 70 millimeters. Lower it for highway efficiency, raise it for snow or gravel roads. 6 driving modes let you fine-tune everything from throttle response to regenerative braking. Now step inside. You're greeted by Nappa leather seats with 14 adjustment functions, heating, ventilation, and 6 massage settings. The rear seats recline, slide forward and back, and include extendable leg rests. There's a 16-inch infotainment screen running on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chip, the same processor powering flagship smartphones. A 36-inch augmented reality head-up display projects navigation directly onto the windshield. Rear passengers get their own 13-inch OLED entertainment screens, and the sound system, 21 speakers delivering 2,160 watts with Dolby Atmos surround sound. You get 539 liters of boot space, a 42-liter frunk for charging cables, and 36 hidden storage compartments throughout the cabin. Euro NCAP gave it 5 stars, 91% for adult protection, 90% for child safety. The Hauhan 2.0 driver assistance system uses LiDAR and can perform autonomous emergency braking at speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. So here's the question. Would you pay 69,000 Swiss francs for this? That's the total price with options and metallic paint. For context, a Tesla Model Y Performance costs 66,830 Swiss francs in Switzerland. Similar power, similar performance. But the Zeekr gives you better interior materials, faster charging, and technology that feels 5 years ahead. Chinese brands just proved they can build luxury EVs that compete directly with European and American giants. The 2026 Zeekr 7X Privilege all-wheel drive isn't just good for a Chinese car, it's good, period. If you want to see more electric SUV comparisons, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.